Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower. So now I'm going to show you guys what exactly I use when I do my braid outs. So the way I part my hair is also key to how I do my braid outs. So I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to part from the end of my eyebrow all the way around my head to the other side of my eyebrow. I use my eyebrows as guidelines to where I want to part my hair. Just how I do my hair. So the parts aren't super straight. I don't think they need to be super straight, but if you want your parts to be super straight, you can make your parts super straight. I'm just gonna leave the top section of my hair alone for now. And I also wanted to mention that I am working on damp hair. If I were to do my braid out on dry hair, now that my hair is already in a half up, half down, all I do is part my hair into about 6 sections going vertically. If I were to part my hair down the middle, then each side would have 3 sections. So I use any leave-in conditioner just to detangle my hair. This is the one I'm going to be using today. So before I go in with any products, I just part my hair just because the smaller the sections are for my hair, the more I can concentrate the products. I'm just going to go ahead and make my sections now. With this being my first section, I'm just going to comb it out. So now I'm just spraying in my leave-in. So if my hair was any drier than it was right now, then I'd just use my spray bottle to make it damp again. But since I just got out the shower, it's already pretty damp. So after I spray in my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is the key. This is the key. For this section of hair, I'm going to use about that much. I just go in with this and make sure every piece of hair in this section is moisturized with this. You can see it already is making my curls curl up. So after the curl enhancing smoothie, I'm going to be using the Eco Style Argan Oil Gel. And you can use any Eco Style gel, but this is the one that I just happen to have. And I don't use a whole bunch. I'm just gonna rake this through my hair. Now the last step I use is to use my Denman brush just to make sure that all the products are evenly spread. And now I'm just gonna braid my hair down. So I always finger coil the ends just because. That's the whole point. So the way I section the top, I section the top of my hair as if I was going to wear it with a side part. Well, the way I'm going to part my hair is across my head. I think with as much hair as I have up top, I'm gonna end up with 3 or 4 parts, and I'll just show you guys what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry, and that's another big point. If I take my hair out before it's dry, it's gonna create a lot of frizz. So you have to let your hair dry all the way. Or you could sit under a hair dryer. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. I'm just gonna show you guys how I did all my parts. Okay guys, so here I am the next day. My hair is all the way dried. So I'm just gonna start by oiling my scalp. Then I just lay my edges with more Eco Style gel. To take my braids out, I'm gonna use this Moroccan argan oil, and I'm just gonna rub it in between my fingers and then just finger coil the ends and break the gel cast that's there. And then after that, I'm just gonna gently take apart each braid. So once all of the back side of my hair is out, I'm just going to take the pick side of my comb and fill in any gaps that are there. Okay, so this is how all my hair looks when it's all taken out, and I could just leave it like that, but I'd just rather have half of my hair up. So that's what I'm going to do now. So that's basically all I do for my braid outs. I feel like it's pretty simple, but I'm glad you guys wanted to see, so make sure you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one.